Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. Now, scroll through the settings, find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it. And here, find the option called sleep, and once you find it, select it. And right here we can scroll through the list of durations, and we have 10 seconds, 15, 20, and auto. Select the one you like. For example, I'm gonna select 10 seconds, tap on OK. Then we can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So should be soon, right around now. Oh, nah, I missed it by a second or two. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.